Hi, I'm Mickey Glassman of the Glassman Group with RE/MAX Premier, and welcome to Midtown at Reston Town Center, the only luxury high-rise in the town center. I'm here in the East Tower at Unit 1101. Not just any condo, but this is the most exquisite property you will have the privilege to call home. It's more than just the $238,000 worth of remodel finishes, upgrades, and interior conveniences. It's about perfection and beauty rolled into each nuance and crevice of 1,523 square feet. The master bathroom renovations with its walk-in shower, as well as the amazing kitchen redo, reflect the superb use of space and detail. The definition of turnkey goes above and beyond. Savor all of this while being mesmerized by the unencumbered, gorgeous sunset views overlooking the Blue Ridge Mountains. Enjoy the tour.
Stepping in the front door of this stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, the foyer has porcelain tile floor, textured wallpaper, and custom guest coat closet. To the right of the foyer, French doors open to your home office with 3-inch recessed lights, which you'll find throughout the home. To the left is the exquisite master bedroom suite with a walkout to your private balcony, a custom lighted soffit, accent wall sconces, custom walk-in closet, and the completely remodeled ensuite bath. With quartz-topped dual vanity, no-fog vanity mirror, heated towel rack, walk-in frameless glass shower, and custom built-in linen closet. Down the hall from the foyer is a remodeled full bath with custom vanity, new tile flooring, tile tub with frameless glass shower door, and a sliding barn door that reveals the new full-size washer-dryer. At the end of the hall is the spacious guest bedroom with walk-in closet. And the foyer opens to the luxurious living room with designer wallpaper, custom built-in television cabinetry, sconce lights, and motorized shades. The living room is open to the dining room with custom buffet with marble countertop, glass shelving, additional storage, and a wine fridge. From the dining room, you step into the remodeled gourmet kitchen with porcelain tile floor, quartz countertops, marble backsplash, new pantry, center island with room for seating, motorized shades, all new Viking appliances, including 3-door refrigerator freezer, built-in microwave, and gas range. There's also a walkout to the private balcony where you can soak in those amazing views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The interior designer who reimagined this space even raised all the door openings 3 inches, installed solid wood doors, weathered white oak floors, added invisible speakers throughout, and wired the home for all of your multimedia needs. And as an added bonus, the home also has a double storage unit.
This is nothing short of a masterpiece. Midtown at Reston Town Center offers every amenity you would expect from luxury living. Fine dining, shops, a park, movie theater, ice skating rink, concerts in the summer. The W&OD Trail is just across the street. Dulles Airport is just 10 minutes, and the SILVERLINE Metro is so close by. As an original resident of Midtown, I can't imagine living anywhere else. For more information, contact us. Get in touch at mickyglassman.com or call 703-464-0979. And remember, attitude says it all, so have a great day, and I can't wait to see you here at Midtown in Reston Town Center. Hey, click on the subscribe button below to keep up to date on all of our home tours, neighborhood videos, and expert advice on buying and selling real estate on our YouTube channel.